Hi guys, welcome to another ERP tutorial. Just a recap on the previous tutorial, we covered how to register on the ERP portal as a young person. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to reset your password. I thought it will then be a good idea to do this tutorial using an actual mobile device, because I know that not all of our young people are using laptops or desktops to access the system. Some of us are using mobile devices, or we are using like tablets, or actual cell phones. So in this tutorial, I'll be using a cell phone, and the browser that I'll be using for this tutorial is Google Chrome. Right? So you will notice, for those of you who have experienced the system using a laptop, and with this tutorial, you'll notice that the system is the same, but the layout, especially in terms of the menu items, has changed a bit. This is because the system adjusts itself to fit into the layout of whatever device that you are using and the size. So on Google Chrome, you will then type the ERP web address, erp.nyda.gov.za. It will take you to the ERP landing page. You will then click on the menu item, and you will then sign in, right? Which will be presented with a screen to then key in your email address as well as your password. But because in this tutorial, our interest is to reset the password, so I'm going to intentionally log in with the wrong details so that I can be able to reset my password, just to show you guys that process. So from here, you will then click on the reset password link. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. Very important, please ensure that when you enter this email address, you enter it exactly as you did when you were registering for a profile. Because remember, the email address, because it's your username, it is also case sensitive. So a lot of queries that we're getting is that if you enter your email address with like a camel casing or a different casing that you used, it's going to say username or email address not found. Of course, I'll be using my real email address, so I'll be hiding this section for now, just for security purposes. You will then get this confirmation message on your screen, and then at this point, it means that an email has been sent to your email address or your inbox. So very important, the email sends the link immediately. So if you can't find it on your inbox, please check your junk inbox as well. The reason for this is because the system sends a lot of notifications. So some mail servers may put us under the spam or junk section. So please check there as well. I'll do another video tutorial to show you how to put us as trusted email address. From here, read the email and click on the change password button. Right? So the email will tell you instructions of the password. The password must be 12 characters long. Out of that 12 characters, one must at least be an uppercase, the other one must be a number, and the other one must be a special character. So please do not change your email address. Do not fiddle with your name or surname. Just simply create a new a password by typing in under create password. So depending on the device that you use, some devices will then suggest the password for you. But you have an option to say, no, you want to key in your own password. So make sure that the password that you're creating and the confirmed password that you'll be typing is exactly the same. They match, right? Once you are done, you'll then click on the confirm button. From there, you'll have the option to save or not to save your password. So if you know that your mobile device has a password as well, so you can save it so that every time when you have to log into the system, you do not have to, enter the password again. This brings us to the end of our tutorial. Thank you.